Hi, this is Steve Blair from the Softy support team, and in this video I just want to take a look into a question that came up the other day on the mailing list, which was about how to add points using ice onto a surface, but then not have those points move as the object deforms. So basically to unstick them from the deforming object. So to illustrate the question, I have a simple setup, just in my case a cylinder with a bulge operator. It could easily have been an envelope deformation, but I just have a bulge. And to add the points, I've got an empty point cloud that takes a sample of the cylinder, generates a sample set from the cylinder, and then uses that to add the points. And I'll just point out I've turned off time varying. So let's just plug that in. Okay, that's adding my points. But as I move along the timeline, I'll see the points move with the deformation, so they're constantly adjusting to the deformation. And I guess the original intent was just to add the points where they are here at frame one and have them not move. So in the end, this is really, it's not too complicated a question because right now things are working as they should. We have an ice tree, which is just an operator in the modeling stack. So it's going to be evaluated each frame. So each frame, is going to generate another sample set or a new sample set and add the points all over again. So each frame basically starts off with 0 points. This tree is evaluated and the points are added based on the sample set generated with the current geometry of the cylinder. So knowing what we know about ice and how it works and how the simulation stack changes things, I guess it's a fair guess that I could just create a null simulated ice tree and that's going to fix this problem, as indeed it does. Because now they have a simulation marker in the stack, anything in the modeling is executed or evaluated just the one time, way back here at the start. So I've got my ice tree adding the points, it's evaluated just the once, so I still have the option if I want, I'm changing the colors, like maybe I like the pink points better, or I want fewer samples. So I can do that. It'll be evaluated before anything else happens. So really that's how it's working. So this is a little bit of a hack in a way, but it's fixed the problem. I didn't have to freeze my ice tree down here. And if I do just delete that ice tree from the simulation stack, I get the same behavior. So just having a simulation marker there is enough, it seems, at least in this case, to have the modeling stack evaluated just the one time way back here at the start. So that's it. I hope this helps shed some light on actually not that complicated situation. It's just a question of understanding how things work, and that ice isn't necessarily all that different in terms of how it works. It's another operator in the modeling, not the modeling stack, another operator in the construction stack. Thanks for watching. Bye.